Hi, also you're probably asking yourself what is this. So this is a fan from Chevy Cruze model 2012, which had a problem with the cooling system. It was very noisy, so it was replaced, and I asked the one who replaced to give me the old piece, and this is the old fan, and I've tried to make it to work by itself, which means I connected it to a battery, and the battery here, what you see is from Honda Jazz hybrid battery. The row is here below, and I've added some protection fuses, but all burnt out. Here it was 30 amp, immediately burned out, and also 100 amp automatic fuse also a jump, and I had many issues. And after thinking about it, so I decided to put something that will control the voltage out with high power ability, and this is the result. I will show you, and look about this. First, of course, you have to close the fuse. Now it has power. And I can measure the voltage to the motor. Let's do it. So now it was only 5 volt DC, which means I have a lot more power. So my wife thinks I'm crazy. If you think so, leave in the comment below what you think about it. Thank you and bye.